To fix the disconnected from lobby error in Throne and Liberty, start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for online gaming, so make sure your connection is working properly. Restart your router and check for any outages in your area. Next, check the game's server status. Sometimes, the game servers may be down or undergoing maintenance, which can cause disconnection errors. You can check the game's official website or social media channels for any updates on server status. If your internet connection and the game's server status are fine, try restarting the game. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. Close the game and restart it to see if the problem persists. Another possible cause of disconnection errors is outdated game files or drivers. Make sure your game is up to date and that your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in the game's settings or on the manufacturer's website. Additionally, try changing your DNS settings. Sometimes, DNS issues can cause disconnection errors. You can change your DNS settings to a public DNS service such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. If none of the above steps work, try resetting your in-game settings to default. Sometimes, customized settings can cause issues with the game's connection. You can reset your settings in the game's options menu. It's also a good idea to check for any conflicts with other programs or applications that may be using your internet connection. Close any unnecessary programs or background applications that may be interfering with your game connection. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the disconnected from lobby error in Throne and Liberty. Remember to always check the game's official website or support channels for any updates or patches that may be available to resolve the issue.